Hey guys, it's Cecily, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a pretty special video. I am originally from Orlando, Florida, although I am living in Paris currently, and I went back home for the holidays. Orlando is the third city in the whole US for veganism, and I literally had no clue. I wouldn't really think of Orlando as a place that would turn into something that was vegan friendly. I'm super excited that the city that I grew up in has really evolved in such a big way, and I'm gonna be able to share with you guys how many delicious yummy food places there are to eat at in Orlando. I love to go back to these restaurants. Some of them I've already been to before, some of them are new and I'm trying them out for the first time. So let's get right on into the video.
Black bean wontons, citrus beets, cherry bowl with tofu and avocado, the veggie burger.
Was it delicious?
It was good. It's very creamy inside.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is like a Buddha bowl. It's avocado, black rice, tofu, sweet potato, and a curry sauce at the bottom. Look at this. What's in your sandwich?
The tempeh, which is curry lime seasoned, avocado, arugula, and vegan mayonnaise, I think.
Your veggie burger, Mom. What got beets with orange slices? Bon appetit, everybody. Is it really good?
Amazing.
That was good.
Did you like it? Out of 5 stars.
I do 4. That was really
4 out of 5?
Yeah, 4 out of 5 stars. And the beets?
Enjoyed it, so I'm gonna say 4 out of 5.
3.75. Because I just feel it was on the pricier side
For basic stuff?
yeah. But it was good. The ingredients were good. The service was quick.
Super
and
quick.
It's nice inside. So maybe a 4.
Also, there's pants decor, 5 out of 5. And it's called Hungry Pants, so. I'm excited to eat this. I got sweet potato, tomatoes, broccoli, tofu with carrot ginger sauce. Alright, so we just got at a bole, and I would pretty much describe it as a Chipotle, but it wasn't only vegan. It had also chicken and other options that were not vegetarian or vegan friendly, and everything was seasoned and spiced very well. So out of 5 stars, I would give Bole probably a 5 out of 5, just because how convenient and easy it was, and it's pretty good if you're kind of in a rush.
For a quick grab during lunch is definitely, hands down, a 5 out of 5. Ooh.
Hey guys, I completely forgot to review the place that I had lunch at yesterday, so I'm just gonna give it a quick review. It was so so delicious. Probably the best out of all the places I've been to so far during my visit here in Orlando. This place got it spot on. It is pretty hard to find Jamaican cuisine in general, but to find Jamaican vegan cuisine was incredible. I'd say 5 out of 5 for sure. And they also had vegan ice cream. It's kind of like a hole in the wall place, like you won't really spot it from afar, but the flavor is all there. So 100% you need to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gave you kind of some insight or like a little guide. I love the lengths that these restaurants go to cater towards the vegan crowd, and honestly I haven't seen anything like that in Paris whatsoever. So every time I go back home it is something super special. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for staying to the end of the video, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye.